All right, everybody, we're over here at Greenville today. We had to make a little stop before we got to the museum. I've got Curtis and John with me. We'll tell them what we're doing.
Well, we're gonna play a little trick on old Bob here. We got these nice hats here. We're gonna see how long it takes old Bob to notice that we got them on our heads. It should be a pretty good laugh.
We got one for Bob here too. So let's get on down the road. We'll find out how long it takes for him to notice.
He's almost as bad as the other guy.
I guess we noticed.
Yeah. That's pretty good.
Like that, do you?
Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good.
Look at really.
That's pretty good.
That would say, I'm Bob.
That better? There you go.
Now you able to read them all okay?
Well, we'll get over together. Curtis is like standing out there.
Yeah.
Now I can't even see Curtis. He's just a dark shadow over there. There's too much brightness behind you.
Yeah.
Standing there then, huh?
Yep, that's all right.
Now I can see Curtis.
There you go.
What? Pose! Alright, fun was had. Wheel. Alright, today we're over here at Greenville working. We're putting up lights. Get rid of some of the darkness in here.
Yeah.
We got some LED lights. Alright, everybody. We're back over here at Greenville working today. Battery went dead on the last one there. As we were saying, Bob's putting up some new lights today. Got some LED lights. Charlie and everybody's over there working on them. Curtis is supervising.
Delegate.
Hang on, Bob. It's the next truss. The next truss.
Lights, no lights, lights.
I told you wrong. I didn't have my Bob hat on.
Bob hat.
What's bad about it is I parked him in the wrong spot, Curtis. So now he's got to move the truck again.
What?
I parked him in the wrong spot, so now he's got to move the truck again.
Yeah. Did everybody hear that?
Hey, I'll admit when I'm wrong. I'm big enough. I have no problem with it.
Take a look, Curtis. Yeah. When I get around to the front here, there's a valve on the back, right side tailboard. I'm going to pull it out, and then when your outrigger's up, you just back the truck up a little bit. All right.
I don't think that's OSHA approved, so we'll be back. See, you got the first row up there. Now we can go wire it back into the power over here. Get wired into the power here, so let's get that done, we'll come back. We got 2 rows up, got them wired in. We got the 3rd row put up, and it's all done. They're all up at that end of the building, finishing running the wire, so we can get it wired in, make all them work. Curtis is up there stapling the wires up. So we've finished getting this last row hooked up. We'll shut the building up, turn them on, see how they look.
Museum ambiance.
Sure. For some reason we had to turn these off so we could see these on. But we got everything. We got everything all wired in and turned on. But we can't have these on no more for some reason. I don't know why. Oh hey, now I can see around in here. That way when we film, guys, we won't be filming in the dark anymore.
That's right. Yeah. Not having to do everything with drop lights.
Drop lights? I didn't even know we had anything that fancy.
The battery drop lights.
Yeah.
Whatever you bring or me bring or you bring.
We ain't got none of them antique cornicones anymore.
We had one, threw it away. Because I'd rather have a light I can't fry an egg on. Or a steak. My arm.
That's right.
One step closer to our goals. Yes.
Yeah, they look really good. We'll say that, they do look good.
Well, I'm gonna wrap this up, fellas. Anybody got anything they want to add?
Hit that like button.
Subscribe, comment.
Subscribe. Please comment. Let us know what you think. It helps us when we're making our future plans.
Yes. Phil, you want to be alive on camera? Be famous on the YouTube?
That would make you be dead on camera.
All right, everybody, thanks for watching. We're going to get out of here. We'll see you later.